Yo, what's up everybody, it's Yazin, and we're back with another camera comparison. This time we're diving into 4 awesome cameras to help you figure out which one is right for you. We got the Sony a7 III, the ZV-1F, the ZV-E10, and the DJI Mini 3 drone. We're talking image quality, autofocus, portability, and how they stack up against each other. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one of these cameras deserves a spot in your camera bag. So hit that subscribe button, let's get into it. Alright, first up we're starting strong with the Sony a7 III. This camera is a beast, and it's been a favorite for a reason. The a7 III is rocking a full-frame sensor, delivering incredible image quality and fantastic dynamic range. It's built like a tank with a solid, weather-sealed body that can handle pretty much anything. The autofocus system is fast, accurate, and locks onto your subject like glue. It shoots beautiful 4K footage with pro features like S-Log profiles for color grading. The Sony a7 III is geared towards serious photographers and videographers who demand the best image quality. It's an investment, but if you're ready to step up your game, this camera will push you to create your best work. Whether you're shooting stills or video, you can trust this camera to keep everything in focus. So if you're serious about your craft, the Sony a7 III is a fantastic option. Next up, we're going small but mighty with the Sony ZV-1F. This camera is all about portability and convenience, fitting right in your pocket. It has a 1-inch sensor, delivering great image quality, especially in good lighting. The vlogging features are the real star here, with a flip-out touchscreen and face-tracking autofocus. It makes it super easy to get those cinematic shots with background defocus. The product showcase setting shifts focus between you and the product you're showing off. The ZV-1F is perfect for anyone starting out with vlogging or photography, or needing a compact camera for travel. It's incredibly capable for its size and super affordable. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-use camera that won't break the bank, the Sony ZV-1F is worth checking out. It's all about making content creation easy and fun. Moving on to the Sony ZV-E10, which sits between the a7 III and the ZV-1F. It has an APS-C sensor, offering better image quality and low-light performance than the ZV-1F. The video capabilities are awesome, with 4K video and S-Log profiles for serious color grading. The autofocus is reliable and it's packed with vlogging features like a flip-out touchscreen and face tracking. The ZV-E10 is also very capable for photography, making it a versatile option for both photos and videos. It's really affordable, especially compared to the a7 III. If you want a camera that can do it all, the Sony ZV-E10 is a fantastic option. It combines the best features from both cameras into one. So if you're looking for versatility, the ZV-E10 is definitely a camera to consider. Last but not least, we're switching gears with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This compact drone is packed with tech and captures stunning aerial footage. It shoots 4K video with incredible stabilization, delivering buttery smooth footage. The Mini 3 Pro is super easy to fly thanks to its obstacle avoidance system. It's perfect for capturing epic travel shots or adding a new dimension to your videos. Surprisingly affordable for what it offers, and it's a blast to fly. If you want a drone that's easy to use and captures amazing footage, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is worth checking out. It elevates your perspective and adds a unique touch to your content. So there you have it, 4 amazing cameras, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The Sony a7 III for professionals, the Sony ZV-1F for vloggers, the Sony ZV-E10 for versatility, and the DJI Mini 3 Pro for aerial shots. It really comes down to your individual needs and what you're looking to get out of a camera. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which camera you're feeling the most. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more camera comparisons and tech reviews. Until next time, peace out. Choose the one that fits your style and start creating amazing content.